Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your work location, work address on Citymapper. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, click on the three dots at the middle of the screen near the Get Me Somewhere section, and then you can see the Share Work option. Click on that, and you can share your work address via WhatsApp or Messenger or Gmail or on Twitter, or you can see a bunch of apps, so you can share your address through them. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.